Virtual TA is a solution which integrates with your learning management systems like Canvas, Blackboard, Panopto. It not only fetches information about the course content, but also information related to the logistics of the course. This is the view for a professor, where he or she can set up their TA for their classes. I have already created a virtual TA for a business writing class, so let me give you a short walkthrough of it. On the basic steps, you declare your virtual TA name, the course name, human TA name, human TA email, professor name, professor email, course start and end date. You can then set up a welcome message and a few starting prompt questions. Here is the prompt template, which is a very important step, as this defines the behavior of how the model is going to respond when it is getting data from your learning management as context. Here you can upload files and data sources. All this data becomes embedded and then available for AITA to help respond accurately. You can pick certain parts of whatever platform you use and embed that information into the AITA as well. You can go into the more advanced settings to add more information, and after that, you will have your own virtual TA. This is what the student view would look like. So we pick the business writing class and ask a question. Let's ask for the latest announcements. And we have all the latest announcements that the TA picked up from Canvas. Contact us to learn more.